Spotify closes its office in Russia indefinitely in response to what the music streaming service described as Russia's unprovoked attack. Yeah, well, just the office? What about the streaming?
Not the streaming.
Not the streaming. That's interesting. Because the office, I mean, how many people do they have employed there, I wonder?
I can't imagine.
It's a tiny little office.
Yeah.
No, I don't know.
It's the UPS store?
Yeah.
Yeah,
just a little update. Since we were talking yesterday about all these companies leaving.
It's crazy.
Spotify being like, a pretty big company.
Actually, another update. I was talking about DHL pulling out, and then I was looking at it this morning, and a couple days ago, also UPS and FedEx. But I don't know how much business they have in Russia compared to DHL, which in Europe is pretty dominant.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure how you're shipping packages in Russia right now. But anyway, yeah, I guess definitely the people who work at this office are going to be impacted and affected significantly. I don't know as far as the service goes.
Mm-hmm.